So we have put Prodex in the rafters or along the roof line and in our walls throughout the house, and we had to do something because our central air unit is located in the attic, to help keep it cool or warm, whatever the case may be. So we put it along the roof line up there, and right now it is 90 degrees outside, but it is 70 degrees in the house. So we are so far really loving it, and we plan on turning it around and using it towards the interior underneath the drywall and wood slat ceilings or car siding ceiling, so that it helps reflect the heat that is actually coming from our air conditioning unit, while it is also reflecting the heat from outside in the roof line. We have had it rain a couple times, and we don't think snow is going to be melting off because air is leaking out of our roof anymore. Warm air anyways. So we are absolutely in love with Prodex right now, and hopefully we'll continue to be. So far, we can really feel a difference. Thanks. Bye.